All right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here at my local hobby shop, and apparently they have an RC. Sorry about the wind. It's actually pretty windy here today. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what they have in the store really quick, and yeah, so stay tuned. Alrighty here. Oh! There it is. Alright, so my Losi Lazernut is here. But let's go ahead and showcase a couple of RCs that they do have here. Like for example that 8AS Outcast, which is still there. Also they got the Traxxas Haas 4x4 VXL. And then you got the UDR. That is Arma. And then all Traxxas here. Now apparently that's a Max. So coming into the Arma section, they got the Limitless, the Notorious, then the EXB Kraden roller that is there, and they got the Felony. Oh, look at that, Savage XL, and then the rest of the good stuff from Arma. Alright, we're in the crawling section. We got the kit, Raider TRX4 Sport, the Defender. Ladies and gentlemen, I have this on order. So yeah, the regular Jeep. This is the Deadbolt TRX4. That's another SCX10. Then gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for an SMT10, they have a few. Check them out. Star City Hobbies. Alright, so back to the unboxing. We're going to go ahead and open the seal. My friend Carlos here is actually helping me out. Got the seal and he's going to open the box here for me. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Losi Lazernut. Alright, so vehicles out of the box. And the way to get into the electronics, what you do is you lift the body, like so. And here are the electronics. Now, Carlos, if I'm not mistaken, this is a 4S capable system, right?
This is one of the only 4S capable vehicles that Losi has right now. It comes equipped with the Smart ESC and the new Spektrum motors. Honestly, we've had nothing but good luck with these new motors. They've been really good. I don't know if you guys know, but Arma is using those motors as well. As well as all the smart technology with the new DX3. You have a battery reader, and it is also compatible with some of the high-end radios from Spektrum as well, such as the DXX. I think you have like 4 of those, right?
Yeah. So there you go. And also here is the owner's manual. It's pretty cool that they actually also provided with the little, they call them dock tags, but you know, so it'll be pretty cool. Add it to your keychain. And yeah, so here's a brief unboxing video of this thing. I really want to thank my local hobby shop here, Star City Hobbies, here in El Paso, Texas. If you're ever here in West Texas, you know, go ahead and come to this place. This is home of Rc Basher Boi. So yeah, you know, check them out. And yeah, so running video of this will be soon.